guys, your guy Shapira once here again. And guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you'll be able to start making money online and make a lot of money, for that matter, a lot of money. How you guys can start online business, a lot of money. I hope I have a lot of businesses online on my channel here. I have a lot of businesses, a lot of jobs that you can do and make money online. But in this video, I released a blog post. I think that was yesterday. Okay, I released a blog post that was yesterday. I released it in my Telegram group channel. And for those of you who you're not in my channel, you don't have any access to my channel, there will be a link in the description box below. Just go to that link. I think it will be in the description box below. Let's go to that link and you are going to see my Telegram channel. Okay, just click on the link and you are going to join my Telegram channel, where I also drop tips about how to make money online every day. Okay, so I dropped that particular blog post, which the link will be in the description box below. It will be the first link in the description box below, and I want all of you to click on it and go and read what I have for you there. Okay, but I'm just going to make a short explanation of what I have in that blog post for you to go and read more, and you can see what I'm going to do about it. So before that, if this is your first time here, my name is Shapira Sid. I'm a content creator. I do video about how to make money online. I go to the market, find out what is working for me. I come here and record a video about it. So if this is your first time watching me, I'm a content creator. I create content about how to make money online, and I'm really making a lot of money online, as you can see on the screen here. So if it's your first time, I encourage all of you to click on the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon below to be notified that I drop more videos. And also, before that, if you are someone, you have a friend who loves making money online, share my videos to all your friends. Introduce me to your friends about new ways of doing things. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about, I think, some ways that you can make money online. And after I talk about this way, I want you to do something for me. I want you to go to the first link in the description below. Click on that first link on the description box below. You go to my site, my website. You are going to see a lot of ways. Okay, so read through them. I'm going to explain them all right, but I want you to go to your site, go and read through them, and just let me know the best one you think that I should do video about. And I was doing a research. Okay, I was doing a research about new ways of making money online in this 2022. Yeah, I'm doing research about new ways of making money online, and I have a lot of ways. Okay, but before I can release a video about them, I just want all of you to know about those ways, because videos will be coming about them. Okay, so when I was doing my research, the first point I got was what? Online betting. Okay, that's online betting. Now guys, I know most of you watching the video, you know what is meant by betting. Okay, we have 1xbet, we have Sportybet, a lot of bets. Okay, and when I was doing my research, they give me that first point as one of the best way to make money online. Guys, you can see a lot of people are now making money on bets. Okay, especially this 1xbet. Okay, a lot of people are really making enough money from there. So in case you want me to do a video about 1xbet, how you can start, how you can create an account, and how you can make money, just comment below. Let me know your biggest problem. Just comment below. I will look at the comments, and if I have enough people who are still commenting the same method, guys, I'm going to record a video about 1xbet or any betting platform that you want me to record a video about. And if you want to know much about this online betting, click on the link. Click on the first link in the description box below. That is going to explain to you what online betting is. And guys, the second way I have here is currency trading. Okay, and I think the currency trading, I have a lot of videos about currency trading on my channel here. But guys, that's the best way that people are still making money from right now in the world. Okay, and we know of this cryptocurrency, we know of this Bitcoin, we know of Litecoin, we know of Ethereum, we know of Dogecoin, a lot of coins. Okay, I've done a lot of videos how you can get those free coins, how you can get free Bitcoin, free Dogecoin, free Litecoin. I have those videos on my channel here, and I think there will be a link at the top. Some link will be popping up at the top. So if you haven't watched a video about the crypto tutorials, there will be a link at the top, popping at the top. Just click on that link after watching the video. Click on those links, and you can also go to the description box below. There will be a videos in the description box below that will take you to my videos about cryptocurrency, how I used to make a lot of money from cryptocurrency, how I make a lot of money from Binance, buy and sell from Binance. Okay, and I think if you want to know much about this currency trading, just click on the description. There will be a link in the description box below. Click on it and it will take you to my site where you can know much about this currency trading. And guys, the next one I have here is the Amazon. Okay, now somebody will ask me, I said, what's the meaning of Amazon? Guys, Amazon is a place that I can go and do affiliate marketing. Okay, I released a video about affiliate marketing, and I got only 2 people that were like, I should do a video about affiliate marketing, and I promised them that when I get a comment like 10, I got this same comments like 10 about affiliate marketing. I'm going to record a full video of affiliate marketing, start from scratch, okay, how I make a lot of money from affiliate marketing. And guys, I'll be releasing a short video about my account of I have account with Warrior Plus, I have account with Clickbank, I have account in DJ Store. I'll be doing a short video of my account and a lot of money that I'm making from those accounts, okay. So I encourage all of you that if you want me to do a full course, a full video about affiliate marketing, just comment below, let me know. So I'm going to search. I even have a video about Warrior Plus on my channel here, how you can create Warrior Plus accounts for free. So in case you want me to continue, how you can get products, how you can sell products, and the best place to get traffic to your links, how you can make a lot of profit, just let me know. I'll go to record a video about them. And guys, the next method I have here is Audible. Now I also have a video about Audible. Now somebody asked me what is Audible. Guys, Audible is a platform or a site that you can go and read books, and guys, they will pay you for reading books, okay. So if you are somebody there that you can read French, you can read English, you can read a lot of languages, all that you need to do there is just go there, read a book, and they will pay you for doing that. And guys, also I think I have a video about, yes, I have a video, and it will be in the description box below. I have a video about that the best way to make money from reading. Yeah, I think I have a video about it. I released that video, I think that was last year, 1 year ago. So it will be in the description box below. Click on that link in case you want to know much about what is called Audible. But in case you want to know much about all the methods that I just mentioned here, click on the first link, the description box below. That will take you to my site for you to read much about how you can make money, how you can start online business and make money, okay. How you can start online business and make money. And guys, also when I'm recording this video, I just want all of you, I just want your suggestion, which video you want me to do for you, okay. Because I may do a video that somebody will not like, but most people will not like, okay. That's why I want your suggestion in this video. That just let me know which one you want me to do a video about, in case you have a new ways of doing things. You can just comment below. I'll get in touch with it when it's good. I'll come and record a video about it and all those things. And guys, also my YouTube monetization course is ongoing, and there will be a link in the description box below. Click on that link that you join my group on Telegram. In case you have a YouTube channel and you are looking for a way to monetize it, yes, I'm going to help you. And don't even worry, in case you don't have any YouTube channel but you are somebody that you wish to be a YouTuber, just click on the first link. I think it will be the link in the description box below. Click on that link. It will take you to my Telegram group where I post tips about how to make money on YouTube, how to create YouTube accounts, and a lot of things. So I think that might say that's what I have for you all in this video, and those are some of the best ways to make money online. That's the online betting, the currency trading, the Amazon, and the Audible. And I think that's only 4. But when you go to the site, you're going to see more than 4 there, and you're going to have a clear explanation of all that I said here, okay. I'm just doing this video for you to bring your suggestion on what you like most doing, and you want me to do a video about it. And I'm always ready to record a video about everything that you brought. And guys, also if you have a way, or you have I think you have a new way of making money online, and you want referrals, you want me to share your link for you, what I want you to do is for me, you can chat me on Telegram, you can chat me on Instagram, you can chat me on Facebook, you can chat me on Twitter, anywhere. You can chat me on all the social media platforms, telling me about your business, because I have a lot of people that are telling me about their business, but I have not released the video about them yet, because I'm not going into detail. I will not just bring the business there. I will just go and record a video about it. No, I have to look at the business. I have to try it myself when it's working before I recommend to my people here that okay, this business is working. So if you have any business at all, just chat me anywhere and just let's talk about business. I'll also try it when it works. When it's required about money, don't worry, I'll put my own money inside. When it's work, then I'll come and record video about it for my people here to follow, guys. And as I may say, now where the economy is very, very hard, okay, so there's no business in the country, in the community, there's no business anywhere, so the only best place to make money online right now is online. So I thank you to bring a suggestion about what you want me to do video about and all those things, and I think that's all I have for you in this video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up when you think that you have found value in this video. And also, if I have done something that you don't like, give me a dislike on this video and comment below the mistake that I have done on this video, so that in my next video I'll try to improve on myself, because I love to learn new things. And also, on top of that, I think that's all I have for you in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon and share the video to all your friends. And also, Comment below, because your comments matters to me a lot. So comment below, let me know what you want me to do for you, and see you in my next video. I'm out.